What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the affordable and stylish bands for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Whether you're looking for a durable band like the marine style rubber bands like I have on here, or you're looking for a replacement to one of the expensive Samsung OEM bands, we've got you covered. So let's go ahead and check these things out. Okay, first up, let's go ahead and talk about the rubber marine style bands. I've got a pack here of some bands I picked up here on Amazon. This whole pack, I think, was under 20 bucks. So compared to the $80 you're going to pay for one of these bands, you've got these affordable options here. So let's go ahead and open these up. These show different colors. Let's see what we get inside here. All right, and this just says high-end smartwatch band. So this is just from a company on Amazon. And they give you a wide range of different colors here. So we've got a light orange here. Over here, we've got the standard orange that you would see with the original Galaxy Watch, which is their orange marine band. We've got a nice bluish kind of purple here. We've got a red, so if you're into any of these colors, you get a lot of different options here. We've got the army green, which I really like. This is probably one of my favorites out of here. And then we've just got the standard black. And these come in different variations of colors, so you have different options. Also picked up another band here, which we'll go over, which is a alternative to the Samsung Galaxy Trail Band. So these type of bands are perfect for active users, everyday wear. It gives your watch kind of a premium look with a budget-friendly price. So the original Samsung Galaxy Watch band, the marine style band, the orange one that's like this, is going to cost you $80 from Samsung. You can pick one up that's very close and similar in the styling, the color, somewhat of the quality. The only difference I've really found with these is if you look closely here, you'll see that the pins are plastic and not metal like on the Galaxy Watch Ultra bands. So their marine bands do have stainless steel pins, so they are going to hold a little bit better to the case. All right, so let's go ahead and see how you put these on. Let me go ahead and take this one off that I'm currently wearing. This one is a little bit different. This one has black with red accents that I just picked up recently. I'll probably do another video on this one. I'm still kind of testing it out. These are real simple to take off and put on. So if you haven't done this before on your Galaxy Watch Ultra, you just flip it over and you've got a little button right here that you're just going to go ahead and press down on. And that's going to go ahead and release the band. Do the same thing on the other side. So press down and the band comes off. So here we have just the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's go ahead and let's throw on, I like this army green one here. So one thing I've noticed with these in comparison to the Samsung bands, so we've got the two bands here on the right-hand side here. I've got the OEM band from Samsung. So this is the official band that comes with them. So as I was saying, if you look closely, you'll see that on the Galaxy Watch OEM band, there are metal, there's stainless steel. On here, we just have the plastic. But as you can see, they're very similar. The colors are very close to each other. The metal, very close, although you can see here that on the official Galaxy Watch band, the metal is a bit thicker. As far as the bands themselves, side view, they look pretty similar. You can tell that the Galaxy Watch Ultra band is a little bit thicker, not by much, but I've worn both of these. They both feel really comfortable. In the hand, you can tell if you have the OEM band that it just does feel a little bit heavier, a little more premium, but I haven't had any issues with these bands. So these are a great alternative. Like I said, you can pick this pack up for like under 20 bucks. So you get a lot of different options there. All right, so let's go ahead and throw on the army green band. So we're just going to go ahead and flip that watch over And we're just going to go ahead and press in, and you'll hear that little click. Do the same thing on this side here. And you'll hear that little click, and you can see band's not coming off. And just gives your watch a different look. It doesn't look like everybody else's. As you can see there on the army green, that's the side view. They are pretty thick. As far as for activities, I've worn these. They are fine for, going outside hiking if you're working out with them, water sports. Let me go ahead and throw this on the wrist real quick. And there you go. So that is the army green color. Let me go ahead and take this one off, and we'll go ahead and throw on a different one. Just give you a variety of different colors that you can choose from, get an idea of what's going to suit you best. Let's go with this purple one here. And there you go. So there's the Galaxy Watch Ultra on that purple band. And as I said, these are really comfortable. They're not as thick as the OEM bands, but I think they're going to hold up pretty well. Let's go ahead and throw the red one on. And there you go. There's the red one. We got a little dancing Deadpool there on the watch face. If you're interested in the different watch faces I'm showing, let me know in the comments below. I'll do a separate video on how you can create your own animated watch face. But there is the red. Kind of looks orange on the camera, but it is a darker red. And there you go. Here is the light orange band. All right, so here is the official OEM Samsung Trail Band. Once again, these cost $79.99 directly from Samsung. So I found an alternative to this. So let me go ahead and show you that one. And this one picked up, this one's I think just under 20 bucks. So it's a little bit more than the other pack, but this has been a really comfortable band. I've been wearing this one for a little while now. So this has the orange color instead of the dark gray. And let's just take a close look here at the band itself. So here is a side view here. Let's get that to focus. There we go. So you can see it's fairly thick. The holes are pretty large. It does have the same style adjustment that the OEM Trail Band has. So you just simply pull this out. It tells you right here, it says to pull. You can actually pull this out and then move this to the different holes to adjust, just like on the OEM version. So let's go ahead and throw this one on real quick. And there we go. So that is the alternative to the Samsung Trail Band, but it's got the black PVD clasp here. You've got the connectors here, and I believe this one actually all metal. So this is all metal. There's no plastic on there. So this is going to be pretty durable. I've actually worn this one in the gym as well. I've done some weightlifting, some different exercise, some strength training, and no issues. I will say when these get wet, these take a bit longer to dry than the official Samsung band. So keep that in mind. If you're interested in any of these bands, I will leave links down in the description below. And there you have it. Whether you're looking for a stylish band like the rubber marine bands that we went over, or you're looking for something as an alternative to the Samsung OEM bands, there's an affordable band for every style out there. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so you're updated when new videos are uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.